Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically save Instagram stories. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. Then you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right. Here you need to click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on archiving and downloading. So here you can see different options. So if you want to save your stories in archive, you simply need to turn on this feature, and in the bottom you can see save story to gallery. Automatically save your story to your phone gallery, but if you want to save your story in gallery, you simply need to click here, and now you can see that this feature is turned on. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.